Hello and welcome to the Autoloons YouTube channel. We are back with another diecast unboxing. This time it's the Bburago 1/24 Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. Now this is a rather old diecast model in terms of releases, but it's been one that I've been really wanting to get my hands on for a long time. There we go. There it is. Slightly dusty, as all things in this part of the country tend to be. There she is. The most hardcore Viper of that generation. And this is a fairly decent budget scale model of exactly that. Right off the bat, it's 124, so it's not going to be very heavy, but it has a nice feel to it. Almost like the actual Viper, there's a very plasticky feel to it overall, but the metal bits are nice to touch. The paint job is very well done. Just ignore some of the dust that's settled. Another case of color grading where the red isn't quite coming across as red on camera, but it is in person the same red you'll see in the photos of this particular Viper. It's these blacked out rims, again similar to the actual car, sorry. Have some suspension on it. Not really, it's very stiff. Only front end, rear doesn't have any suspension. The wing is fixed. The boot does not open. The doors do open. They open a fair amount. You get a good look in them. Again, decals are, I would say, accurate to the model it's based on. You actually have clear space here. There's no fake vents here. You can see through it. No brake discs as I think usual for this scale. The front splitter details are fairly nice. Carbon fiber effect there. Carbon fiber effect is not there on the rear wing. Fairly detailed. Tail lamps. The Dodge Viper badging again. Now, the pièce de résistance. The engine bay that opens to reveal.
Denied. Denied.
Will it open?
Denied.
I want it open. Oh, it's trying to open the entire front thing, but there's the engine bay. There we go. There we have it. The Viper V10, all 8.4 liters of it, complete with model accurate V10 monogrammed on it, 8.4, and Viper on the banks of the engine, both sides. Very nice. And as you can see, the louvres are actually cut through. There's no fake vents to block the view or particularly the functions of these things. And this kind of level of detailing in my mind is pretty good, actually. The headlamps, again, not great. Just have these orange paint for the indicator in a separate section, but does the job. Hey, that was my main focus. Like, this is very well done. It's a very nice model. That diffuser detailing underneath as well. You can see this exposed section of the powertrain with these side exit exhausts which run under the sills in the actual car and then come here. The rear diff, I think. Not very mechanically minded, but that's my understanding of it. Yeah, let's take a look at the interiors now. So, kind of bring some light to the interior. It's going to use an artificial light and maybe increase the brightness to show you the detailing of the cabin. Now, Vipers were not known for particularly nice cabins. It was performance on a budget. And the model kind of recreates that fairly well. Has a simple steering wheel, analog clusters. You can just about make out the 3 pedals because it was a manual offering. The IRM also has a reflective sticky tape, right? Reflective sticker, same as the wing mirrors. That's a good touch, detail from them. We get a better view of the central console. So there's the stick shift, there's the handbrake lever to the right of it, and those white dots that you can see to the left of the AC vents, those were gauges, analog gauges for various things like engine temperature, battery voltage, stuff like that, which went vertically along that, and this is very nicely captured in this scale dashboard. As a track-focused car, the Viper SRT10 ACR came with bucket seats and optional 6-point harness seat belts. Model has the bucket seat spec only. Can't really make out any detailing of a stereo system, which would be between the 2 seats, but the hump is there, and the detailing of the racing seats is also fairly evident. And I've wanted, this in my collection for a very long time. Here's a quick rundown of the history and stats behind this amazing American automotive icon. The Dodge Viper ACR made a return with the facelifted second-generation SRT10 Viper introduced in 2008. Its 8.4-liter V10 got a host of upgrades, bumping up the performance numbers from 500 horsepower to 600 horsepower and 759 Nm of torque. Sticking with the manual gearbox setup, it got a new Tremec 6-speed transmission, sending all that raw power to the rear wheels only. The ACR, standing for American Club Racer, version made no changes to the mechanicals but added a bunch of downforce, 454 kilos of it at 150 miles per hour, and a slight diet to cut the curb weight by up to 36 kilos. It also got better suspension, stickier tires, and better brakes. Dodge did take the SRT10 ACR to the Nürburgring in 2008, where it completed the lap in 7 minutes 22.1 seconds, a production car lap record at the time. It was further improved to 7 minutes 12.13 seconds with some track-specific adjustments to the showroom specification 2010 ACR model, reclaiming the lap record. The Dodge Viper is no more, and it seems there will be nothing like it in terms of pure horsepower per dollar spent and a raw driving experience. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Diecast Unboxing and the Viper SRT10 ACR. And if you want to see more content going forward, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Ciao!